everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair and I'm here today with my lovely little Bales who's agreed to do another video for us. So, me and Bailey posted a picture the other day. It was this cute little braided style called the knotted Dutch braid and everyone liked it, didn't they, Boo? Yeah. Everyone liked the style and asked for a tutorial, so we're here today to show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm starting this style by dividing Bailey's hair into two, but you can do this style just with one plait down the back centre of the head, so you don't have to do the two braids like I am today.
That one.
Yes.
You know when you use the
comb
and go down there?
Yeah.
It tickles.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to say it hurt, then I was like, oh no. It tickles, that's okay then, isn't it?
Yeah.
As long as it tickles and doesn't hurt. So I'm just popping this side into a ponytail and we're going to start on the right side of the head. Spraying a little bit of wax spray, guys, like I always do, just to tame Bailey's flyaways. This is Sexy Hair Dry Wax Spray. So I'm going to be using these hair grips, okay? These are from Hair Tools. I think you usually get about 12 in a pack, and the reason I use these ones is there's no teeth, so nothing's going to grip on the hair and disturb the hair, okay? Because the other way round is not to use these, it's to use another person's hands. But I haven't got another person with me today, so I'm just going to use these along the way. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is a Dutch braid, starting here, finishing at the nape of the neck, but with a little bit of a difference, okay? If you do struggle with the Dutch braids, I will put into the comments the links for you, into the description, sorry, of how to do it. I've got two different ways of doing it that you can try if you do struggle. So, I'm going to be taking a little piece of Bailey's hair. So we're going to start this braid, guys, by breaking it into three like normal. Okay, so we're going to take a section under the middle. So under it goes like that, okay? I'm going to do one more. Under it goes, but can you see this middle section? Oh, just dropped my comb. See this middle section on the top here, guys, okay? What I want you to do is just take a little piece of hair out of it. And this is where you're going to use one of these grips, okay? So I'm just going to slide, she says, that grip there, okay? So we're going to carry on braiding, so it's this one, take it underneath, and again, this middle section, I'm going to take a little piece out. I'm just going to hook it over there. So now we're going to carry on, so taking that section underneath, middle section here, little bit comes out of it, but now don't forget, because we're doing a Dutch braid, we are going to be adding in hair, okay? So you're just adding in hair like you normally would to a normal Dutch braid, but just before I grab hair to add in on this side, I'm just going to remember to leave that little piece of hair out first, like that. Now I'm ready to add in hair, so in it goes. So normal Dutch braids, underneath. What do you do before you add in hair on this side? Take a little piece out that middle section. As the strands get a little bit thicker, I am going to start taking more out each time, but with the strands still being fairly small, I'm not taking too much out yet. So, bit big that one. There we go. So I'm adding in as you normally would do. Underneath it goes. Middle section again, guys. This one's sitting on the top of my hand here. Little piece of hair comes out. Once you've done that, you add in hair on that side. And you're just going to keep doing this for me, guys, all the way down, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing with these random little sections that we left out, and it looks really, really cool. So I just feel like this is getting a little bit far away now. So I've got another one of these grips and I'm just going to slide that in there, and now I've got a new one to hook onto. So I'm just popping a little elastic in here. That's the elastic just gone in there just to secure that braid. Okay, so I'm going to release carefully this hair down, like so. Don't forget your top one as well. So you're kind of left with all this hair, okay, that's sort of been fed out of the braids. So we're going to start with these two top sections here, okay, and all you're going to do is literally tie them in a knot. So I'm taking one underneath the other, this one flicks forward, and then just gently knot it, okay? Then I'm going to take the next little piece, add that together, the next little piece, add that together, and again, this side's coming underneath, flipping over, literally nothing more complicated than a knot. Go again, so you've got that piece getting added together. So you just keep feeding in those little sections that you left out, guys, and just tying a knot in it. So you'll just keep grabbing that hair, flipping it over, tying a knot, and it gives this amazing, it's almost like a 3D effect. So you've got the knot sitting on top and the braid sitting underneath. Okay, so to finish off, I'm just going to literally tie a little elastic round the back here. And I am also just going to wrap a little piece of hair. Don't have to do this bit, guys. And then pop another elastic there. So that's mine and Bailey's video finished, guys. It's just a little bit different, isn't it, than a normal Dutch braid. I'm going to do a little spin for you. Hold on tight, boo. Don't want you falling off again, okay? So that's mine and Bailey's video finished. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below if you did enjoy it, if you're going to try it as well. And we'll see you next week for another video. Bye!